2024 season. We've got the first event of the season here, Players Championship, but we do have a league match, the LAX, with Belmo and the crew. This is the first ever Elite League event. We're bowling the Dallas Strikers, and hopefully we're gonna run it. Get it. There we go. Ooh. Let's go. No doubt. We on the map. I can see you now with the party at. We the ones that he just let into the back. Yeah, misfits, how you overreact. We insomniacs, you ain't get no sleep. Break the rules, can't stay in the beat. Make a move, trying to do the streets. A to Z, follow the license. This is how I feel now. Round them up. This is bye-bye time. This is all I know. This is all I know. This that I don't know. We try and go. Make it 6. Wheel. I think I like it. Everybody break out. It's on a breakout. Let's go. Let's ride. Let's roll. I feel so free now. This is exactly what I need. Yeah. Come on, man. Raise glasses, who's on me? This here the life that I need. Top down to the bridge. The crew came with me. It's about to get litty. Just how the game goes sometimes, you know. The right lane got a little weird for us. Blew up in the front real bad, so we thought shut the angles down. Do a good one on the second one. Didn't do the right thing. I probably need to move a little more. Ended up being a lot closer than it probably should have been. So, you know, we're 1-1. Big tournament starts tomorrow, so we're gonna get some rest tonight and get at it. All right, here we go. First official shots of competition in the 2024 PBA Tour season. I get to bowl with Captain Belmo.
Let's give the players a nice send-off to start the competition.
Okay, brother.
Bowlers, good luck.
I don't think this one's gonna last very long. I think I'm changing balls pretty soon.
We about to go, we about to go. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Go get it, go get it, go get it, go. Go get it, go get it, go get it. We about to go, we about to go get it. Yeah. Pack it up, so long like I'm backing up. Must be new to this side of town. Not the one that
We'll see. I don't even really want to think about it. You shouldn't think about it either. Like, bro, you just bowled 300 the first game. You're good enough to win the thing. You just got to do what you do. The more we think about the scores, the less we think about bowling. I'll keep playing. Oh, here we go. Well, we had it, we got it. We just gotta have it a little bit more. If you wanna take the next step, don't think about the number. It's all about the people in the field. You gotta beat the people.
We could be averaging 170 or 250. It doesn't matter. We got to figure out how to beat everyone. And the guy on my pair, Cortez, averaged over 250. So we just got to find some more. Always got to find more. We got to maximize. Out of the 4 good games I had, I didn't double in the tent twice. So we could have had, if we made the right moves at the right times, that was another 260 and then 270 last game. So extra 40 there, that gets us to 300 over. And that's not even including what we could have done better the 2 games we shot 2 teens. So gonna drill a ball. I think another urethane ball because I don't like the one I have right now. A little bit stronger so I could be a little more aggressive and straighter with it. I think we're only allowed to drill 1 ball during the break. So if I need another reactive option, we'll just drill something tonight. But hopefully we can keep up at least the same pace, if not better tonight. But they're always subject to change a little bit.
Subscribe to Darren Tang.
And go buy his merch.
What kind of ball you looking for?
I think I'm just gonna drill another red ball. I think the one I drilled was a little too weak.
I agree. Stronger, more surface.
Yeah. Just try not to let you down. Out into the cold.
I actually feel like I rolled pretty good.
Let's go. Hopefully red ball good. Now we go get lunch. Round 2, let's go. Needed that one. I thought it was all right. I feel like I'm kind of in that in-between zone where I'm not really shimming it and I kind of have to throw it to the hook. Just not quite dialed in with what my hand needs to do, and I guess just not committed. Nutted that. Hi, Darren. Well, that's not the block we were looking for. Thought we had something going pretty good. Hit a couple bad pairs and kicked us in the teeth. A lot of rifling and it just didn't work. And then we didn't capitalize on the good ones. We had a couple of good games working. I think games 4 and 6. Only got 230 out of them. And then obviously the bad games were, I split in the 10th both times, so we could have 2-0 and 220 instead of 170, 180. So that block was about worst case scenario, I think. So hopefully we don't do that again. We got to be a little more prepared with surfaces. I think having enough surface to get the ball to slow down is going to be key. I 210'd a lot that block, and I didn't pick up very many of them. So I think just making sure the ball slows down the right spot is going to be those 210s turning to hopefully wrap 10s or 2-pins instead of designs. So yeah, all in all, it's not a terrible start, but I think we're going to be about 30 out of the number. Scores are still really high. It's pacing about the same, so just gonna sleep on it and hopefully do better tomorrow. I do. Both blocks. Now you're free to throw the back 5. This guy is truly the like, just watching him do what he does.
Yeah, he doesn't suck, does he?
No.
He's throwing the right neutral song.
Yeah. Aside from the urethane ball, he's throwing like the cleanest balls we have. His second ball out of the bag yesterday was a hustle rip. I'm not gonna question it. He's a goat. How he plays the game and how he sees it is just different from the rest of us. Oh no. Woo. That wasn't a bad ball change. Oh no. God, it's so bad. Like, move in just a touch, everything changes. Oh God.
Okay, here's the situation. Darren doesn't like to talk about his bowling while he's bowling, or more specifically, he doesn't like to talk about the score while he's bowling. That's fine. I'll tell you guys what's happening. He is on the bubble right now. He's in 27th place, and they cut to 24. We have 6 games to go. He needs to bowl a little bit better than the face of the field. Needs some good things to happen. Let's hope they do.
Catch. Oh my God, why does it have to be 210 every time?
Yeah, how do I sound with it when I hit the ground? 100-mile finish. My moment now ain't no mouse in us. I'm on the prowl and my style fitted. High time, give me high fives. Get a
God damn it. All right, well, pretty sure I needed a double in the 10th for a check. I tied Sanders at 661, missed a check by 11, first out. Sam Cooley was at 672. I tied Sanders at 661. No sense getting down about it. We got a long season. By long, I mean 13 more tournaments. So, just gonna go home, practice for the US Open. Chris made the cut, so we'll stick around for that. And then hopefully he makes the show, and then we'll go from there. So, thanks for watching. You're not the most glorious start to the tour season, but we bowled well one block. We really missed the cut because of the one bad block. Yeah, the other ones weren't great, but they were okay. We just gotta clean it up a little bit. Stop looking at scores, because I did that a little bit this week, and that was not conducive to bowling good on the lanes. It never is. So keep that in mind if you guys want to get better at bowling, and check out howtobowl.com. See you next time.